Hello and welcome to another episode of the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast. I'm your host, Gopi, and today we have a very special guest with us. May, an expert in maintenance management and IoT, is here to discuss the future of maintenance management in the era of Industry 5.0. Welcome, May.
Thank you, Gopi. It's a pleasure to be here.
We're thrilled to have you. So, May, let's dive right in. Can you tell us a bit about what Industry 5.0 is and how it's shaping the future of maintenance management?
Absolutely, Gopi. Industry 5.0 is the next phase in the evolution of the industrial sector. It's all about combining the power of advanced technologies like IoT, AI, and machine learning with human creativity and innovation. In terms of maintenance management, this means we're moving towards more predictive and proactive strategies, leveraging data and analytics to optimize asset performance and reduce downtime.
That sounds fascinating. How does Cryotos' maintenance management software fit into this new landscape?
Cryotos is at the forefront of this revolution. With features like real-time asset tracking, predictive maintenance, and IoT energy monitoring, Cryotos is helping businesses transition into the era of Industry 5.0. It's about making maintenance management more efficient, more effective, and more aligned with the business goals.
It's exciting to see how technology is transforming maintenance management. Can you give us a glimpse into what the future might hold?
The future of maintenance management is all about integration and intelligence. We'll see more integration between different systems and technologies, leading to more efficient and streamlined operations. And with the power of AI and machine learning, we'll see maintenance strategies becoming more intelligent and adaptive, able to respond to changes in real time and make predictions.
That's a future we're all looking forward to. Thank you, May, for sharing your insights with us today.
It was my pleasure, Gopi. Thanks for having me.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. Join us next time as we continue to explore the future of maintenance management with Cryotos. Until then, stay tuned and stay productive.